Welcome to Mr. Jahs class, where I, Mr. Jah, cover educational topics in a short amount of time. Let's get started. How to solve for mass when dealing with Newton's second law. Let's take a look at this problem. What is the mass of Uma, who applies a force of 1,354.09 newtons and accelerates at a rate of 7.61 meters per second squared at the start of a race? Before we get to the problem, be aware that you can't just watch these videos and learn the equations. So please make sure you get your notebook and pencil and write down the steps. That way you don't just memorize what to do, you understand why we do what we're doing. This will be more beneficial in the long run. And if you know someone who needs help with these problems, please feel free to share it with them. Let's get to the video. Step 1. Write what you know. Force is 1,354.09 newtons because force is measured in newtons. Mass, we don't have the mass. That is what we are trying to solve for. And then what about the acceleration? That is going to be right there, 7.61 meters per second squared. Now, from there, we just got to plug in our values to the formula. The formula for Newton's second law is force is equal to mass times the acceleration. So we take the value for force and we plug it in. We take the value for acceleration and we plug it in. Now, in order for us to solve for mass, we got to get it by itself. So we have to think, what is happening to the mass? It is being multiplied by the acceleration. So we have to do the opposite. So we divide. That cancels it out. Whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. So mass is equal to 177.9 kilograms. And that is how you solve for mass. Thank you for watching the video. Attention science teachers. Want some free physics resources for your classroom? Click the teacher link in the description. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.